Another day, another story. Are you ready to discover a hidden gem in the heart of the Mediterranean? A place where ancient history meets stunning landscapes and mouth-watering cuisine? Well, get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the treasures of Sicily. From charming coastal towns to majestic temples and breathtaking nature reserves, Sicily has it all. But that's not all. In this video, we'll reveal some of the best-kept secrets of this fascinating island. You won't believe your eyes when you see the crystal-clear waters of hidden coves, the intricate mosaics of medieval monasteries, and the fascinating mix of cultures and traditions that make Sicily so unique. And if that's not enough, we've also got some insider tips on the best places to eat, drink, and shop in Sicily, from the local peasant cuisine to the traditional crafts and festivals. But you'll have to stay tuned until the end to find out all the details. So, if you're ready to explore the wonders of Sicily, hit that play button and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And don't forget to stick around until the end for a special surprise. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Let's go to the discovery of the 20 treasures in Sicily. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, an archaeological site with well-preserved Greek temples. The Greek Theatre of Syracuse, one of the largest ancient theaters in the world. The Cathedral of Palermo, an imposing Gothic Norman structure. The Zingaro Nature Reserve, a beautiful protected natural area with beaches and trails. The Villa Romana del Casale in Piazza Armerina, an archaeological site with one of the largest complexes of Roman mosaics in the world. The Baroque city of Noto, with numerous Baroque palaces and churches in Sicilian style. The Caccamo Castle, an ancient Norman castle on the hills. The San Vito Lo Capo Beach, with white sand and crystal-clear waters. The Temple of Segesta, a well-preserved ancient Doric temple. The Scala dei Turchi in Rialmonte, a white marl cliff in layers. The Monreale Cathedral, a Norman cathedral with magnificent mosaics. The Mondello Beach in Palermo, with turquoise waters and white sand. The Venus Castle in Aries, a medieval fortress with a panoramic view of the coast. The Church of Santa Maria della Miraglio in Palermo, with Byzantine frescoes and mosaics. The Selinunte Archaeological Park, an archaeological site with well-preserved Greek ruins. The Ancient Theatre of Taormina, an ancient Greek theatre with a view of the sea. The Gibbelmana Sanctuary in Cefalù, a medieval monastery on the mountain. The Pantalica Necropolis, an archaeological site with rock tombs. The Donna Fugata Castle in Ragusa, a Baroque castle from the 17th century. The Scala dei Turchi Beach in Rialmonte, a pebble beach with crystal clear waters and a layered cliff. Let's start our adventure, but first, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento is a true wonder of ancient architecture. The site features a stunning collection of Greek temples, some of which date back to the 5th century BC. The temples, dedicated to the gods of the Greek pantheon, are incredibly well preserved and offer a fascinating glimpse into the ancient world. The Greek Theatre of Syracuse is a true marvel of engineering and artistry. Built over 2,000 years ago, it is one of the largest ancient theaters in the world and could seat up to 15,000 spectators. The theater is still used for performances today, and the acoustics are said to be absolutely stunning. The Cathedral of Palermo is an awe-inspiring sight to behold. This Gothic Norman masterpiece dominates the city skyline, and its impressive architecture and stunning artwork are a testament to the cultural richness of Sicily. The cathedral is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, art, or architecture. The Zingaro Nature Reserve is a true natural wonder. The reserve features a diverse array of landscapes, from rugged cliffs to pristine beaches, and is home to a rich variety of plant and animal life. Visitors can hike along the reserve's many trails, relax on secluded beaches, or simply soak in the stunning natural beauty. The Villa Romana del Casale in Piazza Armerina is a treasure trove of ancient Roman art and architecture. The site features a vast collection of beautifully preserved mosaics, many of which are considered among the finest examples of Roman art in the world. Visitors can wander through the villa's many rooms and admire the intricate and colorful designs. The Baroque city of Noto is a true masterpiece of Sicilian architecture. The city's numerous palaces and churches feature ornate facades, intricate carvings, and vibrant colors, all of which combine to create a stunning visual feast. Visitors can stroll through the city's charming streets and squares, marveling at the beauty of the buildings around them. The Caccamo Castle is a fascinating glimpse into Sicily's rich history. This ancient Norman castle sits perched on a hill overlooking the surrounding countryside and features a variety of architectural styles, from Norman to Gothic to Renaissance. Visitors can explore the castle's many rooms and towers, taking in the stunning views from the battlements. The San Vito Lo Capo beach is a true paradise on earth. With its fine white sand and crystal clear waters, this beach is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Visitors can swim, sunbathe, or simply admire the stunning beauty of the surrounding landscape. The Temple of Segesta is a testament to the incredible engineering skills of the ancient Greeks. This well-preserved Doric temple is situated in a stunning natural setting, with rolling hills and lush vegetation all around. Visitors can marvel at the temple's imposing columns and soak in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The Scala dei Turchi in Rialmonte is a truly unique natural wonder. This white marl cliff is a series of layers that descend into the sea, creating a stunning visual effect. Visitors can walk along the cliff's many levels, enjoying the sun and sea breeze and taking in the breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. The Monreale Cathedral is a masterpiece of Norman architecture, located just a few kilometers from Palermo. This cathedral boasts an impressive interior adorned with glittering mosaics covering almost 6,000 square meters, depicting scenes from the Bible and the life of Christ. The mosaic of Christ Pantocrator in the apse is particularly striking, with its vivid colors and intricate details. The Venus Castle in Ares is a magnificent fortress perched high on the top of a mountain, providing a breathtaking view of the coastline below. This medieval castle was built by the Normans and offers visitors the chance to step back in time and explore its ancient walls and towers, as well as the narrow streets and quaint shops of the village below. The Church of Santa Maria della Miraglio, also known as the Martorana Church, is a stunning example of Byzantine architecture located in Palermo. The church is famous for its exquisite mosaics, which cover every inch of its walls and ceilings. Visitors can admire the intricate details of the Byzantine frescoes and mosaics, which depict religious scenes and figures. The Selinunte Archaeological Park is a vast complex of Greek ruins located on the southwestern coast of Sicily. Here, visitors can wander through the well-preserved temples and ruins of this once thriving city, including the impressive Temple of Hera and the Temple of Apollo. The park offers a glimpse into the ancient world and the fascinating history of Sicily. The ancient theater of Taormina is a stunning example of ancient Greek architecture, with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. This open-air theater, built in the 3rd century BC, is still used for concerts and performances today. Visitors can marvel at the intricate details of the ancient structure and imagine the plays and performances that took place here thousands of years ago. The Gibbelmana Sanctuary in Cefalù is a medieval monastery located high in the mountains, offering visitors a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. This sanctuary is a place of pilgrimage for many, and visitors can admire its beautiful frescoes and explore the surrounding nature trails and scenic views. The Pantalica Necropolis is an ancient burial site located in southeastern Sicily, with over 5,000 tombs carved into the rocky cliffs. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers visitors the chance to explore the fascinating history of the island and imagine the lives of those who lived here thousands of years ago. The Donna Fugata Castle in Ragusa is a magnificent example of Baroque architecture, with its grand entrance and ornate decorations. Built in the 17th century, this castle has been impeccably restored and offers visitors the chance to step back in time and imagine life in a bygone era. The Scala dei Turchi beach in Realmonte is a natural wonder, with its unique layered cliff made of white marl and breathtaking crystal-clear waters. This pebble beach is perfect for a relaxing day in the sun, with stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding cliffs. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. See you in the next one.